Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound on your Tata Punch infotainment system? These problems often stem from software glitches or, in older models, hardware limitations. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system reboots. If that doesn't work and you're comfortable, a hard reset, factory restore, via the settings menu, settings system, reset options, factory reset may be necessary, but be sure to back up any important data first, as this will wipe the system. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and check for OTA, over-the-air software updates in the system settings. Tata Motors releases these updates to fix known bugs. For no sound, check your speaker connections, fuses, and ensure your car battery has sufficient voltage, as low voltage can cause audio problems. If basic troubleshooting fails for your Tata Punch infotainment system, and you have a 2022-2023 model, check if your vehicle is part of the voluntary recall program for touchscreen replacements. Contact your local Tata Service Center for diagnostics to ensure your system is covered. To prevent future issues, perform regular soft resets. According to Tata Motors, regularly resetting your infotainment system helps clear cached data that can cause freezes. Keeping your system updated with the latest software is also key, as updates include fixes for common issues. For owners of newer Punch models, be on the lookout for deeper smartphone integration and AI-driven voice controls in future updates, which aim to minimize screen freezes by allowing voice commands. In the long term, cloud-based processing is expected to eliminate many hardware-related freezes.